Oh, okay. I think I've worn the default MetaQuest 3 strap long enough. As you can see here, it's very basic. It's more comfortable in the first Quest and the second Quest, but now I think it's time for us to try out the cheaper, non-official Zyber Elite Strap accessory, which has more comfort in topper, better hugging on the back of the head apparently, and it will allow us to wear it and lift it without it kind of hanging on top of our head and giving us an old man line. So I'm going to set that up and show you guys the process. Hopefully it'll be simple enough. Alright, so the first things first is to remove the default MetaQuest 3 strap. So, you can see we've got two sides to clip off here. Go from the back, and then push outwards, like so. Easy, right? You know it sounds and feels like you're going to break it, but you'll be right. Same on this side. And then, we need to remove it from the top here, like so. Remove the Velcro, pull it through, all the way through to this out. And it might get a little bit tricky at the back end with the Velcro, is that it's got to push through, give it a little bit of encouragement, and then pull at the same time as we're pushing, like so. And done. That's the default strap part out. Very basic material. Comfortable but not comfortable enough. Alright ladies and gentlemen, now we are in naked MetaQuest 3. So let's do the Zyber's Elite Strap part of it. So as we can see here, we have two parts. Let me zoom out a little bit. I zoom in instead always. Two parts. We have the actual strap part and then the actual head part. Now what you'll see on the back of the head part here, don't know what the actual names are, is signs telling us about the left and right point here. So left, right, that's simple enough. And if we look on the device itself, we also have the right and left in this case. Depending on which way you're looking, you look this way and it's the other way around. So we need to clip those parts to the corresponding parts. Obviously it's left with left, right with right. Okay, no identifying as when it comes to this part. This was also stuck inside in case you needed it, but it's pretty obvious, so I took it off in advance and had a little practice run to make sure I'm giving you guys the information straight up without struggling to do it. I was looking competent. So we want the left part to go with the left part, obviously. So we're going to go in, I'm going to take the left part here, that's like this. We're going to put it right on this point and we're going to push down with both hands until we hear a little clip. Hear the clip? That's in. Secure enough. Same with the right. Stick it over, push it in, hear a clip, boom, easy. That part is done. We know it's the right way around, we did it the right direction. So that's good. Now we're going to clip on the sides to the actual Quest itself. Let's zoom in a little bit for that. It's going to be pretty easy as well. Let's clip over and push down from the front. So go front first, over the lip, and then we're going to push down until we hear the clips. It's both clipped in, it's secure, I think you'll agree. Good job so far, guys. You know, I just realized, I think I just clipped it the wrong way around. Take it off. Let's go again, take two. So clip on, make sure you got the right side. So battery point and charging point, matching the charging point, and so forth. Stick it on. So that's turned it on. Clip, front, easy. Clip on that side as well. Front, easy. And now that's clipped on and secure. Next part is to probably take off these, otherwise you won't be able to charge. And take off this, otherwise you won't be able to audio out. Now we just want to get this back inside the strap point. So we now have to do that. Same way we took it off, we'll put it in. Just gotta do a little bend here. Push it through until it pops out.
hours later.
Sliding left and right as you push it. Slide left and right. Like so. This will helps it go through if you slide it left and right as you're pushing through, guys. Then you go like so. 3 hours later. You see him? We're done there. Oh, I'm sweating. Alright. So now our new Elite strap from Zyber is attached. Probably a bit too tight for my head. So we'll just do like, give it a little bit more slack. Like that. Okay. So this is how it's looking. Pretty good. Let's try her on. Okay, so let's try it on, but I've also took the liberty of putting on a very cheap Chinese silicone cover, facial cover. As you can see here, I didn't do a video for it because it's super easy to put these things on, but you can see that it's one of the few ones that actually fit. Problem with the Meta Quest 3 ones is that all of the ones that are out there are more for 2, and they either don't fit or they make it so that the sensor gets confused. So this one seems to fit perfectly. So hopefully that will help with any sweat and stuff like that. So I'll let you guys know. Let me know if you want a video on how to put it in, but it's super easy. I don't think you need that. So let's try on this new strap. Okay, this needs massive adjusting at the moment. It's way too and somehow my thing turned on as well while I was trying to set up. So let's just get this right. Oh yeah, we've got the thing up back here. So we need to adjust this. As you can see, the turner thing here. Like so. Get down. Turn it on, back on, tighten it. And I can't see because my Quest thing's on the screen. So I'm gonna move it if I can. Grab it. And just need to adjust the strap a bit more. I have to say it does feel already more comfortable, I think. I just need to adjust it a little bit more. Yeah. Alright. And then we should be able to just lift it like so. I'm sweating like crazy already. So I probably need to do some adjustments and tighten some things up. It should be on the back of the neck like so. Like that, probably. So I just need to tighten it up a bit more and do that. So I can bring it down now still. But I can't at the moment because I haven't got it just quite right. Yeah. There we go. Perfect, right? So I'll let you guys know how it is. I need to make some adjustments to go still for the back dropping off. So I'll feed you back on that one over time. But that's the setup anyway. See, the thing is bloody coming off as well. It's a little bit wacky. Let me know how the Elite strap, if any of you guys got it. If it does this and if it's tight or not. But it was a little adjustment. Looks pretty good. I just need to get it fiddled around a bit more. I don't want the video to go too much longer. Alright, so there you have it. That's the Zyber Elite strap setup video with some adjustments. I think it's going to be pretty handy. And I'll have saved lots and lots of money, probably.